gas, and diesel vehicles contain four main types of filters that perform different functions. These filters are essential to keep your vehicle running at peak performance. The engine air filter cleans abrasive particles from the air as it enters the engine and maintains your vehicle's fuel efficiency. The oil filter catches corrosive contaminants, helps to improve lubrication, keeps your engine components cool, and increases your vehicle's lifespan. The cabin filter stops outside dirt, dust, and pollen from entering your vehicle's cabin, prevents interior pollution and mold growth, and keeps you and your passengers breathing clean air. The fuel filter removes impurities from fuel before they reach your engine and keeps your vehicle running efficiently. We stock OEM filters made specifically for the make and model of your vehicle. Stop in to purchase filters at great prices and replace them yourself, or have them installed by our factory-trained and certified technicians. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today